Hello everyone, this is Juan the Board Artist and welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you have already subscribed and don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be more updated on my upcoming videos or contents or even live streaming activities. And for this video, we are going to assemble my 3 drawers dresser. If you've watched one of my previous videos about transforming my room, I mentioned there that I still have one furniture that I was waiting, and that is ito po, the 3-drawer dresser, which I purchased from Homebox. It's actually one of the furniture stores here in Saudi Arabia, but I bought it through an online store called Noon. The very reason why I bought this dresser is because ever since I have this storage issues, especially I have a lot of t-shirts, I have a lot of underwears, so I was having a hard time to store them, to where to keep them. While I was searching for a dresser, I found this particular dresser. It's quite simple, but one thing that opted me to really buy this dresser is because it's only for 299 Riyals. So it's quite cheap actually. And it has these 3 drawers and then 2 shelves inside. But when it was delivered last March 21, I was shocked that it came with the big box. It was quite heavy. I was expecting like it's going to be delivered already assembled, but I was wrong. So for now, yeah, I really have to assemble it by myself. If you're going to assemble a furniture or something like this, it's very important for you to read the manuals, the assembly installation. So for you to really grasp everything, how are you going to assemble this furniture. But it says here, it requires 2 persons for you to assemble this one. So I don't have someone to help me with this. But then, since I'd like to take any challenges, yeah, so I'm a risk taker, why not? So I know that's gonna be challenging, but why not? But then again, I have to go over with this manual, and there are a lot of hardwares which I need to familiarize. Now, what's even more challenging is because you cannot see the step by step. So it's like a puzzle, guys. It's like this. How are you going to follow through? Right? I don't know. How? I was expecting like, okay, step 1, grab something like item number 1, whatever. But it's not. It says here, step 1. Only step 1, but there's no other steps. Okay? Just step 1, but with this image. How? And it says here, skipping any steps could lead to improper assembly and damages. And then here are some details of the hardwares, the quantity, but they're very small. You can't even read it. I don't know. I can't even read them. So, whatever. Okay. What else can I do? But I have to, familiarize the steps. So, we'll see. Good luck to me. Bear with me, guys. I hope that you will enjoy this extra challenge assembly of certain furniture whatsoever. back. Grabe, napagod ako. We're done. So, yeah. It was very challenging. Ang dami kong mali. Most of the time, I was looking at this manual. Pero grabe, meron ako mga na-miss. Especially yung mga, yung parang black connector para mag-connect yung isang part to another part. Meron dami kong na-miss. But, well, I think nabuo naman. And I'm quite happy, although meron akong isang issue sa hinge. Dun sa full concealed hinge. Dun po sa, sa door. Medyo, I don't know how I'm going to fix it, but it's not obvious. Siguro, ko naman ng justice yung I'm satisfied. Pinaghirapan ko naman. So, ayun guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to, sa content na to. So, ayun na nga, nag-enjoy ako. Very challenging. But then again, advice ko talaga, siguro mas naging madali sa akin yung pag-screw kung meron kayong parang drill, yung parang machine na automatic na lang siya para hindi, kasi nakakapagod na mag-screw. And if you're not handy enough to assemble this kind of furniture, then you might as well ask for some help from your brother or from your father or husband. But if you're like me, who loves challenges, then there's nothing wrong with that, and why not? Ayan. So, thank you very much, guys. And I would like to shout out my team, Team Wonders, Team Beauties, and all the teams from Great Power Force Collab, and of course, especially to the founder, Ate Lovely Dimple, My Life Existence, and of course, sa Purple League, sa founder na si Ate Jade Oliveros or Outside DYC Purple, and to all the teams, different teams and groups po dito sa YT community, dito po sa YT and different communities po. And thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for your love and support. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, and again, don't forget to hit the notification bell all po para mas updated kayo. And stay safe, stay healthy, and take care everyone. See you next time. Bye bye.